In this video, I am going to show you how to make $200 a day with Cpagrip, and this is XB Marketing with another video. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online with CPA marketing, content logging, Cpagrip, and all that good stuff. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. The first thing you want to do is head over to Instagram. We are going to be driving traffic from Instagram, and don't worry, I am going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to generate leads for absolutely free. We are not going to be doing follow for follow. You are not going to be DMing anyone. Just stick to the end of this video and I'm going to show you how to do everything. So you can do this method with any given niche of your choice. You can do it with the animal niche, with the car niche, with the sports niche, fitness niche, whatever niche you want to do, you want to use is absolutely going to work as well. So I am going to be taking the relationship niche as an example for this video. So if I go to the search bar and type in relationship right here, so I'm going to show you an example of someone who is implementing this strategy and making money with it. All right, so if I click on this first account right here, as you can see right here, so you want to scroll to this video section. All right, so if you scroll to this video section, you are going to see that their videos are getting thousands of views. And also you can see right here, this one has, and also you can see it's just a couple of text on these videos and they are getting thousands of views. You can see this one has over 100,000 views on it, and also you can see they get a lot of engagement as well. So let me show you an example of what the video looks like. So if I click on this video, so as you can see right here, you can see it's just plain text. There's nothing going on right here, and you can see it's a 3 seconds video. And also you can see the video keeps on playing. The video is on a loop. It keeps on playing by itself. So literally most people would not even know this is a video. They are going to think it's an image. And basically that helps you a lot with the algorithm on Instagram, because the more people stick and watch this video for long, the more Instagram is going to think it's a good video and is going to promote it or show it to other people who are interested in this niche. So like I said, you can see right here is just a simple text, nothing else going on right here. Basically, I'm going to show you how to make this type of video, and you can start using this strategy as well to drive traffic to your content locker or CPA offers. Okay, so if we go back to the page, so you can see right here they have a link in their bio here. So basically anyone who comes to this account, they come to this profile, I'm sure this is going to be some product or some offers or whatever it is. All right, so let me show you now how to make this video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google. So you want to type in something on Google, like let's say relationship quotes. All right, so whatever niche you are in, you want to type in that niche and you want to type in quotes. All right, so once you do that, you are going to see a lot of search results right here. So basically you want to go to the image tab. So if you come to the image tab right here, as you can see, there are a lot of images right here with quotes on them. All right, so basically there are two methods that I am going to show you that you can use to make this type of short videos. All right, so this is the first method right here. So you want to come to Instagram, you type in quotes right here. So you want to grab one of these images. So let's take this image as an example. All right, so once you click on this image, you want to download this image. So I'm just going to download this image right here. So if I save the image right here, all right, so the next thing you want to do now, you want to head over to canva.com. all right, so if you don't have an account with them, it's basically free to use. All right, though they have some paid features, but the free one is good enough to get the job done. So once you are in canva.com, you want to head over to this video section. All right, so once you come to this video section, you want to choose this template, this Facebook video template. All right, so don't worry, we are not going to be using Facebook. Like I said, it's purely Instagram, so the template also works for Instagram as well. All right, so once we are right here, so and also as you can look by the left section of the page, you can see there are a lot of templates here that you can just use and plug and play. All right, so there are free ones and paid one as well, but we don't need this template. Okay, so basically this blank one is what we need. All right, so the next thing you want to do now, you want to upload that image. Okay, so you want to click on this upload media, and then you want to upload the image you downloaded from Google. So now if you come back here, so basically what you want to do is just drag this image and drop it here. So once you drop this image right here, as you can see, you want to align it properly and you want to adjust it. All right, as you can see, it looks good. So now you want to drag this arrow right here. You want to make the video 3 seconds. You can make it longer than that if you want, but I recommend you stick to 3 seconds. Okay, so the more people watch this video without realizing that it's an image, the more the Instagram algorithm will think it's a good video, and they are going to show it to more people. And the more people that sees your post, the more people who are going to come to your profile. Once they click on the link in your profile, they are going to be redirected to your offer. All right, or your content locker. Okay, so basically this is how simple it is. You don't even need to add any music or anything to it. So just basically click on download right here, and you want to download as MP4. Okay, so you want to click on this download right here. So the video has completely downloaded. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to go back to that same post. So if you go to that post, you want to look at the hashtag that they're using. You can see they don't even have a lot of hashtag on this post. Okay, you can see right here they just have about 3 hashtags. So I'm going to show you where to even get more hashtag. So if you come to a website called Right Tag, so if you come to type Right Tag and type in relationship, all right, so if you come to Right Tag and type in relationship right here, okay, so once we search for that, you are going to see a lot of tags that you can use. You can see these ones right here are the best for Twitter, but we are not using Twitter. This is the one you need to use, the one that has good only for Instagram. So you want to copy these hashtags right here. As you can see, we have a lot of hashtags right here. So you want to copy this hashtag and paste them on a notepad, and you want to create an Instagram account for this niche. All right, so if you go back to this profile, you can see right here they have something like relationship quotes official. So basically you want to create an Instagram account with a similar name like this. And once you have your account created, you want to leave a link to your content local, your CPA offer, or whatever you are trying to promote. Okay, so basically once you have your account optimized for that niche, you want to post the video we just made on Canva. So basically you want to click on this button right here. So once you click on that, you can make a post. So if I click on select, basically I'm going to locate where the file I downloaded from Canva is. So once you locate it, if I click on this upload right here, so as you can see right here, this is the video we made on Canva. So once you have the video uploaded right here, all right, so there's no option to paste in those hashtags, right? So I recommend you do this from your mobile phone. So if you do this on your mobile phone, you are going to be able to paste in these hashtags right here, and you paste it on your page. So you want to do this for as many images as you can. So basically that is the first method. You want to grab images from Google and you want to use them to make the video. So if you don't want to use this method, so basically what you are going to do is still the same process. So let me delete this image. All right, so basically that's the first method. The second method you can do to create that type of video is you want to come to this element tab here, and you want to drag and drop this. You want to drop a rectangle right there. So you want to grab this rectangle. So once you grab this rectangle right here, the next thing you want to do is you want to come to this text, and then you want to add a text right here. So basically what you're going to do is you want to basically type in the quotes right here. So basically you can just type out this quote right here, or if you don't want to do that, you can just go back to all. So if you go back to all, you are going to see a lot of websites here. So you can just basically copy these quotes right here. All right, so once you do that, you come back to Canva, you paste in the quotes right there. So basically you want to align that, and you want to change the background color so that it matches perfectly. You want to give it a vibrant color, and maybe you want to give your text a white color. So basically this is how you do it if you don't want to use this method. All right, so if you come back here, if I go back, so let me discard this. As you can see right here, they just basically use a background that match perfectly with the text. So basically you want to do the same thing. All right, so and as you can see right here, you are going to make it 3 seconds like we did in the first method. So once you're done, you download it, and then you repeat the process of uploading. So by going to righttag.com and grabbing hashtags that are related to the post, and you want to post that on Instagram. So basically that is how you do this for as many posts as you can. All right, so you want to literally post at least 10 videos a day. You are going to get your videos to a lot of people on Instagram, and once a lot of people see this post on Instagram, since they are interested in that niche, they are going to click on your profile, and if they click on your profile, they are going to get redirected to your content locker or whatever you may be promoting. All right, so that will be all for this video, and if you find any value, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.